All right, welcome to the last live session for today. Let's quickly wrap up the New York markets, looking for potential trading opportunities for tomorrow, being Friday, the last trading day for this week. We are actually going to be looking into all 28 major currency crosses. In fact, all 29. Let's include gold. We are actually going to be looking at that as well. Okay. I believe you can see my screen and you can hear my voice. If you can actually watch this, please just give me a little notification in the live chat window. Otherwise, I am watching myself here and everything looks good. Okay. All right, let's proceed looking into the charts. But first, if you are joining in for the very first time, please, as you click on your play button, move on to the settings tab and ensure that your video quality is set to the 480 pixel so you can get a better stream quality. Okay. All right, having said that, let's now look into the Forex Factory economical calendar for higher impact news announcement that are scheduled for tomorrow. Let's see that this is the Forex Factory economical calendar. Just look at that. Seems to be loading quite slowly. All right, thanks for that confirmation. I do appreciate. For today, all right, all of today is done. All right, all of the news announcement for today are done. Let's see for tomorrow. Okay, so for tomorrow being Friday, we are only expecting the news announcement from the Canadian dollar axis. You can see those two red news announcement there. Unfortunately, I think we will not even be live. All right, this is not a news announcement. Actually, this type of news announcement usually is profitable, but these days we don't really find them that profitable anymore. But at any rate, we'll be looking into the market when they will be released. All right, let's go straight into the charts and now see what we have. First, let me go back to my live trading room. Okay, looking into the chart right now, let's begin with the American dollar against the Japanese yen. We took a trade here. We took a trade in this pair, where we went short as of yesterday. Okay, yesterday we took an aggressive trade on the American dollar against the Japanese yen. This is the 1 hour time frame. That was their entry, and now their stop loss is sitting at a break-even position. We were able to ride the market back down. Okay, well, this pair is still bearish, more bearish, more so even for next week. Okay, even for next week, you want to keep searching for short opportunities in the American dollar against Japanese yen. The only problem we have is the Japanese election happening in the weekend, and so all yen crosses are likely to have some weekend market volatility, possibly weekend market gaps. That is the only odd to this trade right now. But at any rate, we are sitting at a break-even position, so why not? We can afford to let that trade run. Even for tomorrow, we are going to see where price is going to head to. Okay. All right. So in the daily time frame, I was telling you yesterday that this push to the upside, I would like to see an immediate return to the downside, and that seems to have happened today. You can see that candle there, although not really a very serious one for today, but the American dollar against the Japanese yen is still bearish. Price should be pushing to the downside. In fact, the 1 hour trend line was broken on and off. Seems good from my end. Looks good from my end. I don't know, you might want to refresh your button. I am watching myself from another PC live. Okay, so the 1 hour trend line got broken, so that was the boundary between the bulls right here and the bears. Okay, that was the boundary. Right now price is sitting in the bear territory. Okay, so you should be looking for short entries. For now, there is no new entry on the American dollar against the Japanese yen. We are only going to hold our previous entry, which is this one here, sitting at a break-even position. Okay, nothing else. We'll even like to remove this line right now. This is the next line that should hold price, this one. In fact, it held price already. That's a harmonic line. This is the next key level of support, which is the boundary between the bulls here and the bears. If price is able to break below that line, this very level here, then we'll be sitting on the highway free of traffic to the next level of support right there. Okay, so this is what should be holding price right now, this level. So keep in mind, at any rate, we are bearish overall with the American dollar against the Japanese yen. All right, let's move into other pairs, looking into other trades that we actually took.